Have you ever tried meditating for like 10 seconds? I wonder if penguins have knees. Congratulations! You have experienced meditation exactly like almost everyone else. Somewhere along the way, people got the idea that meditation means becoming an emotionless monk who never has a single thought ever again. That's not how it works. Today I'm going to explain what meditation actually is, why it helps your brain, and why you don't have to be good at it to benefit. What meditation actually is. Imagine your mind is like a puppy, not a trained puppy, an excited puppy. You tell it sit, it sees a butterfly, then a squirrel, then remembers its favorite toy in the next room. Then suddenly it wants lunch. That's your brain. Meditation isn't magically turning the puppy into a statue. It's gently saying, come back, over and over and over again. Every time your attention wanders and you bring it back, that's actually the exercise. That's the rep. Or think of meditation like going to the gym. Nobody walks into a gym expecting to bench press a truck on day one. Your brain works the same way. Attention is like a muscle. Every time your thoughts wander, and you notice, and you return to your breath, you've just done one mental repetition. The goal isn't zero thoughts. The goal is practicing coming back. Even professional meditators have wandering thoughts. They're just faster at noticing them. Why it feels challenging. People quit meditation because they think, I couldn't stop thinking. But here's the funny part. Noticing that you're thinking means you were paying attention. That's success. Imagine learning basketball and saying, I kept missing shots. Well, yeah, that's why you practice. Meditation works the same way. If your mind wandered 200 times and you gently came back 200 times, you didn't fail. You basically did 200 attention push-ups. The science. So, why does any of this matter? Because your brain is constantly reacting to everything. A stressful email, a loud noise, someone leaving you on red. Your brain immediately goes,
This is important!
Meditation creates a tiny little space between what happens and how you react. Instead of immediately getting swept away by every thought, you start noticing, oh, I'm having an anxious thought. Instead of, oh no, this anxious thought is reality. That tiny difference can make a surprisingly big impact over time. Real-life benefits. With consistent practice, many people notice things like feeling calmer during stressful moments, getting distracted less often, finding it easier to focus, recovering from frustration faster, sleeping a little better, feeling less controlled by racing thoughts. No, meditation won't suddenly make taxes exciting, but it can make your mind feel less chaotic. And honestly, that's a pretty great trade. How to start? Here's my favorite beginner meditation. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes if you want. Take a slow breath in and out. Now simply notice your breathing. Nothing fancy. Then, your brain will absolutely wander. Maybe you'll remember pizza, or dinosaurs, or that email you forgot to send. When you notice, don't get mad, just smile, and gently come back to your breath. That's it. Seriously, that's meditation. Your mind isn't broken because it wanders. That's literally what minds do. Meditation isn't about becoming perfectly calm. It's about becoming a little more aware, a little more patient, a little kinder to yourself. One breath, one wandering thought, and one gentle return at a time. So if you've ever thought, I'm terrible at meditation, there's a pretty good chance you're actually doing it exactly right. I'll see you in the next one.